question integration of x power minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 dx. Now we have to find the integration of this one. Let's see this case. Which case is there? First case already we have done. Now let us see the second case. P is the power minus 2 you have. Here the P is negative now. Negative. Then x is equal to t power k. You have to take the condition where k is the LCM of m comma n. So what I do here, now p you got negative number minus 2, means case 2 I have to take. So I have to take x is equal to t to the power of, what is k here? K is the LCM of m comma n. LCM of L 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3. So if it is there plus or minus not a matter, just take the denominators of this, means LCM of denominators. Denominators you have to take. Okay, you have to take the denominators LCM. So 3 comma 3, what is the LCM of 3 comma 3? 3 is the LCM. Okay, you have 3 comma 3. The LCM of 3 comma 3 is 3. So LCM of 3 comma 3 is equal to 3. So I can write this is x is equal to t cube. So I can replace x is equal to t cube. Now do the differentiation of this one. Dx is equal to 3t square dt comes. Now we place this question. I is equal to integration of, wherever x is there I can write t cube. T cube to the power of minus 2 by 3 in bracket 1 plus, in the place of x I can write as t cube to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2. Dx can be replaced as what? 3t square dt. Okay, this is what I am getting here. Correct? So I is equal to what I am getting here. 3 gets cancelled. T power minus 2. And this 3 gets cancelled. Inside I am getting 1 plus t whole power minus 2 into 3t square dt. Now this here I is equal to what I am getting, this one and this one combination you see. Integration of t power minus 2 and this is t square, that is t power 0 I will get. And this number 3 will come out. And this I can write as 1 upon negative, I can write as 1 plus t whole square dt. And t power minus 2 plus 2 is 0, t power 0 is 1. So integration I is equal to 3 into, and this value is become 1 upon 1 plus t square dt I got. So t 1 upon 1 plus t whole square dt I got. So I is equal to 3, and integration of this is nothing but what? 1 plus t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now I is equal to, the answer is 3 into 1 plus t to the power of minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So here the final answer is I is equal to minus 3 upon 1 plus t plus c is the answer. But what is t here? T is here and x power 1 by 3. T is x power 1 by 3. Replace in the place here I is equal to minus 3 upon 1 plus x power 1 by 3 plus c is your answer. Yeah, let us see this question. Integration of x power 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 to the power of minus 5 by 3. Now we came into case number 3. And these model sums of JEE 2020, 2019, 2018, all I have explained it. You can see this question in this model. You have seen in previous this question in this model. That is 1 upon x power 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 to the power of 5 by 3 dx. You have seen like these questions almost. You have seen like this in always. See now these type models you have seen, right? These type models I have question is like this or like this, same format. If the question is like this or like this, no change here. So these questions are most important of JEE Mains and Advanced. Okay, let us see here. According to this rule, I am explaining you. I am explaining now rules according to the rules, because sometimes you will not get, sometimes you will get. But method you know, all problems you can solve by the method. Already I have explained in the previous sections. You can see that 2020, 2019 questions. I have all of these model I explained. So let us see here now. There are two methods you have. So let us see here. In this case number 3 I am explaining. Now the P is the fraction. See the fraction this is. What is M here? M is equal to minus 2 by 3. What is N here? 1 by 3. What is T here? Minus 5 by 3. So you got P is a fraction. Now what do you have to see here? M plus N by N. What is M here? M is minus 2 by 3. M plus N by N you need to see. M is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. Let us see here what I am getting. This I will get as, if I take the LCM, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. It is cancelled, answer is minus 1. It is an integer. I got it is an integer. So whenever you get integer, this I can write T power k. Means this one I can take, this one 1 plus x power 1 by 3 I can take. You got an integer, this is an integer, so we are using this format. So what we take here, a 1 plus x power n we can write T power k I will take. What is k? Denominator of p, p ka denominator. So T power 3 I can take. P and P is what? Minus 5 by 3. If you have negative, you have to take per numerator always. Fraction negative always numerator. So T power 3 is the right answer. Now you can differentiate this one. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. Differentiation of this is 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. And is equal to minus 1 is equal to 3 into t square dt. Okay, what I am getting here, x power, this is 3 minus 1, minus 2 by 3, x power minus 2 by 3 dx, sorry I forgot here dx, dx is equal to, this 3 divided by 3 into 3t square dt. It means I can write an x power minus 2 by 3 dx is equal to 3 3 is 9t square dt. This is what you got. Okay, let's see here. X power minus 2 by 3 you have here. Dx you have here. So this you have, that can be changed as 9t square dt, and this can be changed as t cube. That is what we can do it. Let's wait now, we'll do the problem. So what I am getting here is how to solve this question. Okay, let's see how to solve this. I is equal to integration of, I am doing this one, I am comparing here, x power minus 2 by 3 dx, I can write as 9t square dt. Okay, this I can write as 9t square dt, and 1 plus x cube I can write as how much? T cube to the power of minus 5 by 3. So you have this 3 gets cancelled. I is equal to what I am getting here. 9 is comes out t square into t power minus 5 dt. Then I can write I is equal to 9 into integration of t power minus 3 dt. So this is not 2 minus 5 is minus. Then I is equal to 9 into integration of 1 by t cube dt. This is integration I will do. That is t power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus c. That finally I get as answer 9 into this minus 2, I will get this one, and this I will get as 1 upon t power 2. This is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. I can write plus c. This is your answer. So minus 9 by 2, 1 upon. What is t we consider? What is t we consider? T. T is nothing but from here t is nothing but 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So t I get as this one as 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3, and this you have a square. This you have a square plus c. So finally minus 9 by 2. This is multiplied on the top. Okay. So I get as 1 upon